Okay, we'll see how we can delete the photos on Google Photos app. So open the Google Photos application. Okay, this is my Google Photos application, and these are the photos what I have on Google Photos app. So in this tutorial I want to show you how you can easily select multiple photos, because there will be so many photos and you want to select multiple photos. I'll show you easy way. First, tap on any single image and you will get the date of the images. So here, yesterday, for this example, first I selected one of the pic, just tap on that, it gets selected. And now tap on yesterday. Here, see here, when I tap on yesterday, all the photos I took, actually 15, all the 15 got selected. See here, Wednesday 23 September, tap on that, Wednesday 23 September, the 4 images on Google Photos got selected. You can select individually, but easy way is, just if we tap on the date which is shown on the above of the images, it gets selected of all the photos which are taken on that particular date. So to delete, at top you will have the delete option or the bin option. So when you tap on that, move to bin. So if you tap on that, all the photos gets deleted. So see here, remember one thing, if you delete any photo from Google Photo, this is important actually, the image which is on the local gallery app, means on your device storage, will also get deleted. So you should double sure. If you feel these photos are important, please do take the backup of these images to your computer or to some other device, and then you can take an action of deletion. So because if you delete on Google Photos, it also get deleted from your phone internal storage. So all the 23 images or the photos which I have deleted now will be available in, click on library, the third option at bottom, and click on bin. So those which are deleted there will appear here. To empty all these images, there is a option here at right top corner, 3 dots, and click on empty bin. So now your Google Photos are permanently deleted. So if you want to keep them here, these 23 images will stay here for 60 days. After that, they will be removed automatically without your deletion. So if you want to delete permanently, you can take this second action also. I hope you like this. If you want a written answer, check out the description. I'll place a step-by-step tutorial on that in the written form. You can read it and do it. I hope you like this.